This unit is super pretty, but honey, I feel like I am like in a space rotation or something underneath my cap. Like, what is going on here? The hairline now is looking pretty popping, but like we gotta talk about this tangling, the shedding. Can we bring it back? Because you guys were coming with hitter after hitter, and now I'm a little bit confused.
You keep on your boat, you and I just spending my mode. See fair, how do you remain afloat? Cities keep burning, the smoke fills our throats.
Wading in the water, I've been drifting out to sea. You see my vibrancy's been alive within me, floating in the day. But highs inside these eyes, I seem to glisten while they wait. Losing sleep as this reality is taking over me. And you must be mistaken if you think you're truly free.
Hey guys, and welcome back to Outfit Hair Reviews. I'm Angelique. So today the unit that I'm going to be reviewing for you is yet another new one from this whole Outre Faux Scalp collection, and girl, this one is in the Style Laurel and the color number 2. So anyways, the cap construction on this unit, you do get your two combs. The two combs that are in the front are closer to my ears. There's one comb in the back as well as adjustable straps and an elastic band. So as you guys can see, there is no line of demarcation. Why? Because I cut it out. Like, I immediately knew I wasn't gonna like it. I'm not a fan of this faux scalp whatsoever, so of course I went in and cut it out. So this is a 13x6 unit. It does come pre-plucked. It also does have baby hairs. And can we get into this hairline? I like the hairline. The lace did come all the way down to the sides, and it also came with like some sideburn situations going on, but I wasn't a fan of that because, honey, it was making this seem like huge, if you dig what I'm saying. Like, this little thing was wiggling around like nobody's business. So the cap size on this is definitely going to be big head friendly. Smaller to medium size people may have an issue as far as with slack at the back when you cross them, but I do feel like you still can get away with it, even if you feel like you might be diving on inside your scalp. But girl, nobody got to know that. Nobody got to know that. So the texture on this unit, if I had to guess one way or another, Yaki versus Silky, I would say that it's more silky than Yaki, but it definitely does also have a Yaki mix, if that makes sense. I feel like the curls are already falling, and I feel like with Yaki textures, curls seem to hold longer. And I also definitely am getting a good amount of tangling and shedding with this unit. I also think this is going to be more of a special occasion unit, because I feel like if you wear this every day, in a couple of days, like, I could just see the curls already dropping. The density on this unit definitely is on the lighter, more natural side. So if I had to guess, I want to say it'd be about 130%. I do kind of wish there was some more hair on it, because you know I like my hair thick. It feels like just enough hair. So this is everything to the front. I would like it thicker, but you know, you get what you get. So the length on it comes well below my boobs. Girl, I'm 5'3" for reference. You see what that's dropping? That's a long one. So let's just jump into the cons and the pros of this unit. So the number one con is the faux scalp. Like, just get rid of it outright. Stop it. Just stop it, because that line of demarcation is just not cute. Another con that I have is the fact that I do wish it was fuller. That's a personal preference though, just because I know some of you guys may like your hair more on the natural side. And then another con that I have is probably just the tangling and the shedding. Just like I said, I feel like this is going to be more of a special occasion unit, because the fact that I'm already getting some tingling and shedding, I don't see it lasting super long. My pros are, I love the hairline as always. They always do such a good job with these hairlines. I love the fact that the baby hairs were not too much. They've been killing it with the baby hairs as well. I like this curl pattern. I just like the way that it falls and everything. I think it is super cute. This is a cute one to pop off. Pop on and pop off, you dig me? I hope you guys liked it as much as I did. If you did, just give me a like, give me a subscribe, comment down below in the units you want me to pick up in any of the colors. And until then, I hope to see you soon. Bye.
When